Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Tweaking. Today I'm breaking down how to create stunning digital backdrops in MidJourney without spending hours figuring out the perfect prompt. So now, full transparency, I didn't come up with these prompts myself. I found them while looking around MidJourney, and they stood out because they produce incredible results with pretty much no tweaking. So I'll explain why they work so well and how you can enhance them and show you how to use them for photography, design, and digital art. And then stay to the end because I have a bonus prompt that takes it a little bit further. The best part about these prompts is that they use smart mid-journey like techniques to create cinematic, high detailed results. It works because they incorporate architectural framing, so tall arched backdrops that create realism and depth. There's professional lighting tricks, terms like Rembrandt lighting, and professional grade shadows. There's high quality lens simulation. So you're actually saying 70, 200 millimeter lens. This setting makes the images feel like they were shot with a DSLR camera. There's the atmospheric depth. So there's volumetric fog and muted tones that create perfect Moody effect. So these aren't just random words. They actually tell Midjourney to generate professional quality images instead of that flat, unrealistic AI art that you sometimes see. So let's break down the exact prompts that I use and why they deliver such high quality results. Why this works well. Gray, tall, arched muslin canvas backdrop. It gives Midjourney a clear structural reference. Long hanging strings of white beads from the ceiling that creates texture and visual interest. Side Rembrandt lighting, it adds professional depth and contrast. Cinematic 70 200 millimeter lens, it mimics real DSLR photography settings. Atmospheric volumetric adds realism by stimulating light passing through the mist. So prompt 2, the beady curtain with smoke bomb haze. We've got the tall backdrop. It keeps it neutral and adaptable. The hanging bead curtain. It softens the image and adds elegance. Smoke bomb haze creates a dramatic fog effect for depth. Realistic muted tones. It prevents any oversaturated, fake looking image. And how to enhance these AI generated backgrounds. So even though these prompts are already high quality, there are a few simple ways that you can enhance them further. So you can upscale for sharper details. So tools like Gigapixel AI or Photoshop Super Resolution help make AI images look even more realistic. You can fine tune contrast and colors. Adjusting shadows, highlights, and saturation in Lightroom or Photoshop can bring out the best in the images. Extend the backdrop if needed. Photoshop's generative fill allows you to widen or lengthen your background. And you can add light effects. So a soft glow or a subtle gradient can really enhance the realism. Once you have these backgrounds, what do you do with them? So here's a few ideas. Some of my other videos, you saw that I sell these digital backdrops on Etsy. So you've got photography backdrops, great for professionals or virtual photo shoots. You can use them for thumbnails, social media, and graphics. It gives a premium high-end aesthetic. Digital artwork overlays, you can modify and build upon those. And then the e-commerce products, so perfect for showcasing digital or physical products. And now, as promised, the bonus prompt.